Uh-oh. Sorry, cat. Excuse me. There's nothing I can do here. I wish they sound like bird chirps. Be a lot cuter. Unfortunately, there's nothing I can do for at least 2 days. Stray, you still here? Oh my god. It won't help that. Good. So what's your plan for tonight besides this? I'm wondering how long I should just sit here while Hearthstone isn't online. Heather, as far as that's concerned, I think I'm already 3 sheets to the wind. Yes. You're good, Shadow. I can't control myself at this point. I can't stop. I cannot stop. Can I do something for you? Sure. I can do that if you'd like.